What's up, guys? Good evening. Welcome back. Today we're gonna be doing something a little different. It's May 6th here, and we're on Lake Hartwell today, doing some hybrid bass fishing topwater. It's about 7:04, so I'm running a little bit late. I'm not trying to make this quick, but doing a little catch and cook, and hopefully I can get some good topwater shots for y'all. But y'all stick along. I'll show y'all the rig today. Hold on. We're in the skiff, j16, 1997. Anyway, y'all follow on. Alright, y'all. Well, we have made it out here. It's pretty quiet today. Water temps are about 75. I do apologize. The camera's a little close to my face. It's about as good as I can do right now. We're going to start with this, I believe. This is a j16. I'm not exactly sure. It's just a white spook. We're on a little shoal. The lake is dead today. It's kind of windy. A tiny bit of chop, but not too bad. I'll show you what we're working with. But not too bad. This little shoal runs. There's a buoy right out here to the left of us. You can see it. It's a nice little shoal, and the striper and stuff will come up here on the evenings and hit these little spots and chase up bait and everything else out here. So we're just gonna work it just like that. Hopefully y'all can see that. I think y'all can actually. Oh yeah. Yeah, the bass will usually bite though around. Let's bring it back. The bass usually bite around 7:30 is when they'll start really grouping up in these bigger groups, and it'll be just like a pile of striper and hybrid. Most of the time I'm catching hybrid, sometimes spotted bass or occasional largemouth because they run together too. Because we're in the herring spawn right now. That's their main forage. It's a whole lot of fun. But yeah, this evening, hopefully that sun's not blinding me. I know it's blinding y'all, it's blinding me. But today I'm gonna try and catch them on topwater, see if we can do a little catch and cook. We're not supposed to eat the fish out of this lake, mainly because the mercury content. It's a carcinogen, whatever the name is. It's cancer causing, and there was some sort of spill or something that happened last year, or not last year, sometime there was a spill, and it just got into the fish in there. But as long as you cut the bloodstream, the bloodline out and stuff pretty good, you usually don't have to worry about that. But anyway, we'll get to y'all when we get on some fish. Trying to self-film y'all. Oh, right there, at the boat. Come on. Holy moly, guys! Right there. Chasing bait. Holy crap, guys! I hope I'm getting this. Oh, I'm on. I hope y'all got that. I think it feels like a small one. Oh yeah, for sure, small one. It's a little hybrid. I'm not gonna keep this one. Hey man, this thing's pissed off. Oh man. Dang it, guys. I'm trying to make this kind of quick. There's a bunch of fish around us. God damn. Okay, he unhooked himself, thank God. There we go. First fish. Come back. See if we can't get back on these guys. We're having to chase these fish around, y'all. We got some right here in front of us. Hopefully y'all can see that. Holy crap, right here next to us. Right there next to the boat. Oh, right here, right there. Oh. No way. I hope y'all got that. About the same size fish. Another small one. God, what the hell? I can't tell, but that's not beautiful right there. That is beautiful. I'm gonna see if there's not a fish right here. I just seen him jumping again. Let's see. Well, y'all. Well, let me get y'all a little better. Much as I hate to say it, I believe that's about it for the day. It's pretty calm and quiet out here now. Anyway, y'all, I really appreciate it if y'all like and subscribe. I don't know if I can catch that on the video, but I might have to make one more little baby cast right now. Let's see here. Imagine we catch one in the outro. Nah. Anyway, y'all. Really appreciate all the support. Still a really young channel. I think we have 40 subscribers right now. But we're able to seal the deal to getting the keeper. I don't really want to keep a barely legal fish, because then you gotta clean it, and once you get one, it's not really even worth it at that point. But anyway, y'all, we really do appreciate it, and like I said, make sure to like, subscribe, and hope to see y'all again, and peace out.